Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. We're going to continue on with the new products just released from Turtle Wax and their hybrid solution line. We had positive feedback for the last two products we took a look at, so let's take a look at the next two products. The Hybrid Solutions Graphene Ceramic Inside Job and the Mist Glass Cleaner. We'll do a quick demonstration on the back windows in the cab of this pickup truck, which also happens to be a puppymobile. So besides all the other dirt and contaminants, you have slobber, hair dust, and dander. In some instances, the products can work as a team. We'll use the mist to clean the gauge cluster plastic cover and also the infotainment center screen or whatever you have, and some of the trim pieces. And then we'll follow up with the ceramic graphene inside job. That's really an all-in-one. Interior care for leather, plastic, rubber, trim, every hard surface on the interior of your vehicle. So let's start right here with this horrible back window. On the side windows, the door windows, first put them down about 3 or 4 inches so you can get the top of the glass and then put it up and get the bottom of the glass. That way the entire glass sheet is cleaned. We're going to use the streak-free mist glass cleaner. This has a misting nozzle that sort of atomizes the product as it comes out. It gives it a nice even coverage on the glass. Pump it once for a quick spritz or pump it a couple times and you'll have a nice continuous spray for a few seconds. I enjoy the Huck towels or the blue surgery towels. You can get those anywhere on Amazon. You can get a whole bag of them, second rate or B or C class for a really decent price. Lint-free, they work excellent for glass. Working my way from the outside of the window in will mist the product evenly on the glass, and it really makes quick work of dirty windows. The real test, and I haven't been able to test this so far, is when I get a vehicle that has heavy smoke damage on the inside. That tar and all that gunk and all those enzymes hanging in on the inside of the glass, I'm really anxious to give it a shot, and I'll share that job and information with you when it happens. That's really all there is to it. I'm going to put the window back up so we get the bottom of the glass that's been tucked inside the door panels, and we're done. Safe on all types of glass, including plexiglass, and ammonia-free, so it's safe on tinted glass and tech screens as well. Leaves a nice fresh scent behind, so if you are working on a smoker's car, it will help you with odor control as well. It's also been doing a decent job on light and fresh hard water spots on the outside of glass as well. The surfactants within the formula are active. They will go over heavy contaminants on the glass of the windows. And now the glass is fresh and clean for the puppy to jump in and slobber them up all over again. Time to jump to the front of the cab, take care of the instrument cluster screen and any infotainment screens you have up front or in the rear as well. The formula has truly been streak-free for me so far, trying it on screens, plastic, mirrors, glass. All right, that takes care of the streak-free mist glass cleaner. Let's jump over to the ceramic graphene inside job. This is an all-in-one product for the inside interior care of your vehicle. And we have again, slobbered up, dirty interior of a truck here. We're going to clean it up and protect it and condition it. It does have some conditioners in there, all with just this one product. So really all you need, grab a vacuum cleaner, grab the mist glass cleaner, grab the inside job, and you have everything you need to take care of the interior of your vehicle. Now, I must say, if it's heavily soiled, you're going to need an APC, heavy-duty APC. Anything moderate or lighter, all you're going to need is the inside job here. Most of the dirt and contaminants can be taken away with just one swipe. Heavy contaminants, you'll have to go over it maybe one or two more times. But it does a decent job. Also, it doesn't leave behind any greasy, slick feeling to the plastic or rubber. This would be great for those WeatherTech floor mats. Here's another quick example of just a mist and wipe situation where you can clean and move on. I'm finding out it takes care of some decent moderate dirt work as well. Just do some thorough vac first. Follow up with the inside job, which will clean and protect. Cuts down on steps because you're cleaning, protecting, and conditioning at the same time. Cuts down on overhead, makes the job quicker. Whether you have a business or you're taking care of your own car, you can take care of it and get out, hit the roads, enjoy your vehicle quicker instead of working on it all day. Me, I kind of enjoy working on mine as much as I do driving them. Let me know down in the comments section, do you like cleaning and working on your car, building it, detailing it, or do you like getting out and driving it? Which do you enjoy better? I really have a hard time deciding on one or another. I enjoy them both thoroughly. We pretty much have it freshened up back here now, ready for the pupper to jump in and get some fresh, dirty paw prints on the mats and the plastic. But each time you do it, it's going to get easier and easier because your conditioning and protecting leaves a layer of protection, and the dirt and the muck will just stay on top, and it's quicker and easier to wipe off, I've been finding out here. Okay, we jump from the four-legged furry friend portion of the cabin up front to the busy driver, treading stuff in and out. Just, again, vac thoroughly, and you'll need the inside job to clean and condition. Great on those floor mats, and not slick. You're not going to, you can clean the pedals as well, the gas and the brake pedal. You're not going to stomp on the brakes and slide up under the dash. It leaves a dry, natural feel to it. And besides the door panels, the center console, the dash, you can also use it to condition and protect the plastic over the instrument cluster, your infotainment screens, your trim, and really any hard surface at all in the interior. I had to double check, make sure there was no residue left over from the surfactant part of the formula left on the plastics, the chrome trim, the shiny gloss trim, or really anywhere on the interior, and I did not see any so far. It also does a great job on any black piano finish trim or anything similar in the interior of your vehicle. And even more impressive, or maybe more embarrassing for the owner, is the dirt that it can pull off the steering wheel without pulling up the dye, which is important on leathers, alcantara, and other fine materials on the interior of some of the more expensive vehicles. And once again, it feels natural. It's not slick. The steering wheel will not pull out of your hands, sending you careening off the road. We're all finished up. Everything's nice and fresh, has a decent scent to it, and we're ready to get out and start enjoying the day once again. Guys, you can't impress everyone. These products may not be for everyone, but I do guarantee a large percentage that purchase these will be happy with them and will probably find a nice corner in their trunk or interior to tuck these away, bring them with, and use them often. I've had no problem with them so far. I've been enjoying them. I'll continue to use them. That's the information I have to share with you. I love sharing information and these videos with you. You can do with the information what you please. This has been Brian from Apex Detail, and we'll catch you in the next video, vlog, or series. And one final thing, a Merry Christmas to all of you and your families, and a happy, prosperous, healthy New Year. Whatever you enjoy this holiday season, enjoy it with your family, relaxing and laughing, having a good time. For a Christmas gift to you, we'll give a 25% off everything in the Apex Surface Protection store. A link will be down below. Happy holidays.